Susie was asking, she said that when she was cropping, it was on a new image and it seems to be causing issues with some scripts. And I agree. I found that out the hard way. If you are using, let's just use this image. If you want to crop, that was added, I think, at version 17. So you can choose here. You have this option, crop as a new image. That way, it will not affect your original. You don't have to make a duplicate and then crop. It will automatically crop as a new image. Here. The problem is that in some cases, some scripts are cropping and assuming that they are using the same image. It causes problem. I had to tweak one script recently because of that, and there's no way you can actually change that. It's something that has to be just changed in the code. So if you happen to have a script that misbehaves because of that, just let me know and I'll happily update the script. It will be needed. It's one of those additional feature that can affect so many scripts, but I'm not testing every single new feature on every one of my scripts. If it causes problems, sometimes it doesn't cause any problem. Sometimes it does. So I hope it answers your question, Susie. Hey Susie, if I am to check all those, I won't have time to make any new ones. Hey there. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus.